Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a very simple recipe with mushroom and peas. Over here I have 500 gram of button mushroom, of which I rinsed and having it drained, and now I am going to cut them. And for the ingredients, I have half a cup oil to go with, 2 medium-sized onions that are sliced, a tablespoon of mixed masala, a small teaspoon of salt, and a cup of frozen peas. Firstly, what I'm going to do is to cut up my mushroom. For the curry, you can cut whichever way you prefer. Mushroom is very versatile. It goes with many different foods. I've got my heat on moderate and my pot is hot, so I'm going to put in my half a cup of oil. My oil is hot. Now I'm going to add in my onions to it. I'll allow these onions to fry a little. You don't have to brown the onions very much. Now I'm using in my masala. Now I'm going to put in my mushroom. You must always have your mushroom out of the water and dried up, because mushroom lets out a lot of its own water. And this will become so little because they melt away. I'm going to sprinkle in my salt with the mushroom. And if you like your mushroom being a little hot, you can add green chilies to it. I will allow this about 10 minutes before putting in my frozen peas. Now I'm going to add in my frozen peas. Give it a good mix and allow this to cook for about another 10 minutes, and then I'll garnish. Curry is done. 10 minutes has passed us, and you can see the mushroom has cooked in its own moisture, and You don't have to overcook mushroom because you will lose all its nutrition and it will taste very like rubber. And you saw when I washed out my mushroom, I drained it thoroughly because it has to cook with its own waters. Otherwise you'll get a whole lot of water coming out from your excess water. So it makes it like a boil finish. So this is how your mushroom must look when done. Now I'm going to garnish. I'm using some spring onions to garnish, and then I'm ready to serve out the curry. Here you go, a very simple dish to prepare. Mushroom with peas, which took me less than half an hour, and to go with it, some nice hot roti. Yeah, this is a very easy lunchtime meal. Thank you all very much and enjoy.